Hi everyone, this is Julia with Exclusively Dance Studios, and I would like to share with you a very nice exercise to improve the strength of your lower back and to improve the strength of your thighs and hips for standard. If you find an empty wall, right, and you lean on the wall, so your feet are apart from the wall, so you align your spine next to the wall, and you slide down, right? So your legs create a nice 90, not big angle, but make sure that your knees are not coming over the toes. And you count till 10, right? So you'll find yourself in this position. Make sure that your lower back is pressed towards the wall. And you count until 10, right? And then you release. And please do that 3 to 5 times. Absolutely can do 15 repetitions as well. And that will definitely, if you do it every day, you will feel the difference in 1 week. And that will help you to stay lower in standard and increase the tone and stamina in your thighs. Thank you again, and I'm looking forward to your comments. Feel free to post underneath the video or reach out directly via Facebook. Thanks again, this was Julia. Have a good day.